Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by making sure accounts and connectivity are ready. Check that your Nest Thermostat is powered, running the latest firmware, and on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Open the Google Home app and sign into the same Google account that manages your Nest. Once done, tap the plus icon to add a device, choose Set up Device, then select Works with Google. This step starts the pairing flow and prompts you to link your Nest account so Google Home can control temperature and read sensors. Now you'll link and configure the thermostat inside Google Home. Choose Nest from the service list and sign into your Nest account to authorize access. This shares device info so Google can control it. Make sure to assign the thermostat to the correct home and a specific room so voice commands target the right device. Also enable necessary permissions, like location or presence if offered, because those allow routines and auto-away features to work reliably once linked and synced. Finish by testing control and setting automations. Say a test command such as, "Hey Google, set thermostat to 70 degrees, and observe the Nest respond." This confirms communication and account linkage. Next, create routines or schedules inside Google Home to automate heating and cooling based on time or presence. If something fails, a key troubleshooting tip is to reboot the thermostat and your router, then reauthorize the Nest integration in the Google Home app. This clears stale tokens and resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.